Good morning. We're going to make the linkage peg now. Part number 8. Plus sign, create part studio. And it's a round piece, so we are going to revolve it, which means I'm going to draw just the outline of half of it. So I'm going to start at the bottom here, click, go sideways, half of the bottom diameter. So it's 0.0625 divided by 2. Wow, this is going to be really tiny. I'm going to go up, and this height up is 0.25. And then I'm going to come out, and I have no idea what that is. I'm going to have to look at the surface radius. I'll deal with that later. Click. And now I'm going to turn my tool off, turn the tool back on, do the center line, click. The total height is 0.325. Okay, so now I have a little bit of a problem. I need to figure out what that distance is. And the only thing it tells me is the surface radius. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with my 3-point arc. I'm going to connect those 2 points and set it down. And now I'm going to type in my surface radius. And it's 0.1562. Enter. Now, obviously, it's still in blue. We have a little bit of a problem. Turn my tool off. And this dot needs to touch that center point. And as soon as you do that, everything locks in. Everything's in black. Everything locks in. Green check mark. I'm going to revolve, choose my shape, choose my revolution axis. And there it is. And there's that surface radius looking like it's kind of flat on top, like it's a flat little nail. Here's the problem. If you don't move your center point and line it up on that center axis, this is going to look weird. There's either going to be a dimple here, or it's going to look more like a rocket cone. So we want to make sure that you have that last little step there as you're making this. Okay, we're done. Going to change some colors. Tap, tap. And we're going to change it to yellow and green check mark because I like yellow and it's okay. And I think it will match my train body. So there we go. Okay. Oh, and I need to rename this guy down at the bottom. Rename it Linkage Peg, LINKAGEPEG. Don't forget to rename your part on the side over here. LINKAGEPEG. And it's done. Good luck on the rest.